Hey guys, Chris here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plugs quickly and easily. If your car's been running a bit rough or you're just due for some maintenance, this video's for you. First things first, safety. Make sure your engine is cool before you get started. Always wear gloves and safety glasses. Ready? Let's dig in. You'll need a few basic tools, a ratchet, a spark plug socket, and a torque wrench. Start by locating your spark plugs. They're usually on top of your engine, connected by thick wires. Now, carefully remove the spark plug wires. Give them a good twist and pull. Next, take your ratchet with the spark plug socket and loosen the old spark plugs. Turn counterclockwise until they're free. Got it? Awesome! Before you pop in the new plugs, check the gap. Use a gap gauge to make sure it matches your car's specifications. You can find this info in your owner's manual. It's crucial for proper engine performance. Alright, install the new spark plugs by hand first to avoid cross-threading. Then, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specs. Remember, too tight can damage the threads. Reconnect the spark plug wires and double-check everything. Start your engine and listen for smooth operation. That's it. You've just replaced your spark plugs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.